Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you what is debugging. So guys, now let's begin. If you open VS Code editor, so in the right side you will see this play icon and this bug. This is debugging. So if you click on this, then you're going to see here. So this. So now if I click on this, so guys, again, if you don't want to open your file from here, then you can go to Run and you can click on Debugging. With debugging, you can open a file. So guys, that's it for now. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon. So guys, thanks for watching for now. I'll see you next time.